Hello my YouTube family, welcome to our channel where we are diving deep into the enchanting world of shabby chic bedroom decor. If you are looking to infuse your space with charm, elegance and a touch of vintage flair, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will explore 50 stunning shabby chic bedroom ideas that will inspire you to transform your space into a dreamy retreat. Let's start with the basics. Shabby chic style is all about creating a cozy and lived-in atmosphere while embracing imperfections and vintage charm. Think distressed furniture, soft pastel hues, delicate florals, and romantic accents that transport you to quaint countryside cottage or a French farmhouse. Let's talk about furniture. In a shabby chic bedroom, opt for pieces with weathered finishes such as whitewashed or distressed wood. Vintage-inspired dresser, nightstands, and bed frames add character and warmth to the space. Consider incorporating a beautiful antique vanity or wrought iron bed frame for a touch of old world charm. Onto bedding and textiles, layer soft, breathable linens in muted tones like pale pink, baby blue, or creamy ivory to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Add texture with vintage-inspired quilts, crochet blankets, and ruffled pillows, shams for a romantic touch. Don't forget to top it all off with fluffy down comforter or plush duvet off for ultimate comfort and luxury. About decor accents, accessories are where you can really let your creativity shine in a shabby chic bedroom. Hang vintage-inspired artwork or frame botanical prints on the walls to add a whimsical touch. Display delicate china teacups or antique perfumes bottles on floating shelves or vintage trays for charming vignette. Fresh flowers and greenery are must-have in any shabby chic space. Fill vintage mason jars or antique pitchers with garden roses, hydrangeas or peonies to bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Consider adding a lush floral wreath above the bed or draping a garland of eucalyptus across headboard for a romantic and whimsical feat. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in a shabby chic bedroom. Opt for soft, diffuse lighting with vintage-inspired fixtures like sconces or table lamps. Consider adding a romantic canopy of fairy lights above the bed or placing a vintage crystal lamp on the nightstand for a touch of sparkle and glamour. About dye decor projects, one of the best things about shabby chic style is that it lends itself well to upcycling and repurposing old items. Get creative with dye projects like distressing furniture with chalk paint, sewing your own ruffled pillow covers, or creating a vintage-inspired gallery wall with thrifted frames and artwork. Finally, let's discuss styling tips for achieving that perfect shabby chic look. Keep the color palette soft and muted with plenty of whites, creams, and pastels. Mix and match vintage and antique pieces with new finds to add depth and interest to the space. Don't be afraid to layer textures and pattern for a cozy and eclectic feel. With these 50 stunning shabby chic bedroom ideas and decor tips, you will be well on your way to creating a dreamy retreat dress brimming with charm and personality. So grab your paintbrushes, scout the thrift stores, and let's get started on transforming your space into a shabby chic heaven that you will never want to leave. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more inspiration. Till then, stay tuned.